everyone. Welcome to another episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is West, reaching your life and direct from the heart of Africa. Today, I'm going to teach you guys a very simple and effective remedy for curing chronic cough. There's this kind of cough that normally affects people. They call it dry cough. That it comes out like an explosion, and people are very difficult to. They don't know how to treat it. It's very difficult to treat. You try so many remedies that don't work. I have been able to discover an effective remedy for that, and I want to share it here with you guys. If you know people that have this kind of chronic cough that are having serious problems and they can't be able to do anything about it, the simple remedy that you can use is if you can get bitter cola. This West African bitter cola is very effective, and you also get honey. You are going to eat the bitter cola and honey together. You mix it together. You eat through the bitter cola, then you drink the honey. It works very fast and instantly heals the cough. No matter how serious the cough is, it cleans it off from your system. Okay, it's very powerful, and I think you guys should try it. Okay, very powerful remedy for that kind of situation. So I hope that this video is useful to you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye.